Alright, so what's up, y'all? Today I'm gonna be giving you a trade breakdown on the trade I took last week on Thursday. I didn't get to update y'all, and I didn't get to take any other trades after that on Friday because I did not see my setup. The markets opened on Sunday. Wait, is it Sunday? No, today's Monday right now. So the markets opened yesterday. Didn't find no setup, so today's Monday right now, and I'm gonna go over a trade and show you my thought process and everything what I was thinking during that trade. It was a very nice trade, which um maybe hit 405 on the overall profit on the account for the Met funding challenge right now. And this is the Myfxbook. It made a new high right here. So that was a nice 1% for last month. So let me go ahead and break that down for you, and let me just show y'all that. So as you know, in my last videos, I said I was bullish on Euro JPI, EJ. So let's see, what time frame was I personally? This is the trade I took. Um, yes, this is where I was. So I was looking at a 30-minute time frame at this specific time. Let's actually replay until like right here. Here. So this is where I was. I was on a 30-minute time frame, and I saw my demand zone, hidden demand zone. So on a lower time frame, this is a demand zone. Since I understand structure, I understand sometimes price can, in a bullish scenario, as price goes up, price can sometimes, let me do that. Some price can sometimes liquidate a low before continuing higher. So my understanding of that, seeing this high, seeing this low, seeing this high, seeing this low, when I saw price break that low, I wasn't necessarily looking for bearish plays because I understand my higher time frame. So as a price approached my zone right here and it tapped, um, I wasn't on the chart, so I already saw that price tapped on the zone and it started this bullish push. And when I jumped on the charts, since I saw the bullish push, I know it had a potential to reach the high, which it did. So I jumped on a 1 minute time frame. And what was I looking at? I was looking at my simple setup of a on break of structure, double break of structure, or multiple to show signs it wants to go bullish. So right here, I saw bearish. It was going bearish, and then it finally broke up bullish. So broke once bullish. I would not be looking right here for the demand zone. And plus, personally for me, this demand zone would be invalid for me. Um, it pulled down and broke again, broke the high, and I don't think actually I also took a I think I also took a loss before this. Hold on, y'all. Let me see if I can find the exact if I could find a screenshot. Let me pause this to look at the date so I can look at if I took a loss before this trade. And I actually did. So here's the screenshots. I actually took it. So this was the first trade I took. It was at this zone right here, as you can see. Based on my entry being met, I was looking at this zone and this one. I took my entry and it stopped me out. My rules weren't met to break even the trade, so I got stopped out. No losses happens. It's a part of the system. Um, I was also looking at this zone right here, which it didn't get tapped. And notice Notice how this is my zone for me. Notice how even though it missed by probably less than a pip, I didn't FOMO into this trade. So enter. I waited for my next setup. So I saw price break structure again, and it broke right here. I didn't see no zone after it broke right here for me. Probably down here, but that's like way too far. So price broke again. As you can see, I have this orange dotted line to indicate that price broke again, and I was looking at this zone, which I did. I looked at this zone, and that was my next zone I was looking at. And price, um, yeah, tapped me in. Well, not tap me in. I have a specific way of entering, so I entered right here at this candle for a buy, and then my rules were met when to break even. So where is it? So I had this when price went up, price went down, and went up again. So it broke structure twice. So went up, went down, went up like that. So I broke even, and I have my partials at 1 to 3. So I took my first partial right here, and I was letting the rest run to where you might ask to a higher time frame um targets. So like I said in my last video about don't buy the dip on how structure just follow how structure moves and the next target. I was going based on a higher time frame target, which price did not go all the way up until, but I did exit early based on my rules. So I was on a 3 minute time frame, and I exited somewhere around here based on price, double breaking structure downwards. So I exited that right here. And the rest was on history. It went all the way back down after I exited the rest of my position right here. That's like why I like to manage my trades that way, because I tested it. And if you're watching my video and you want to like try the type of strategy I'm doing, always test the strategy you are learning, or always test the strategy from the person you are learning from, because you want to make sure the strategy works for you. So I exited right here, and that was the end of that trade. So not all trades are gonna be beautiful and just run all the way. Not all trades are gonna even hit your partials, and you might not even always get to break even your trades, like how you saw in the last one. I took a loss before that, and the next trade overcame the loss and plus more profit, which put me at a new high in my account. So I hope y'all like this trade breakdown of this video. I'll have more videos coming on the way. And I was making this quick video real quick because I do got a trade right now. But if I don't see anything, no, I'll be off the charts.